Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. This is Wednesday's episode and it is a knit crate unboxing. This is the May knit crate. It is a little late this month because they had some issues with printing. So I do know a little bit about this before I open it up. I do know that it's actually only one skein of yarn this time because it is a higher quality fiber content. As far as what the fibers are that are in it. So let's take a peek. Everybody that got the membership box got the same box. So the theme this month was, I believe, citrus or marketplace. I'm not sure. We'll find out together. So I have clipped it under here, but I have not opened the box to look. So I'm going to let you guys look first. And as usual, something fell out. This is this crate and the March 2019 crate both featured a single skein of luxury yarn, plus extras and sometimes bonus patterns. Although this is the last single skein crate we have planned for 2019, we'd like to get your feedback on these crates so we can plan for 2020. So they give you a survey to plan. So let's take a look at what's inside without me dropping it all over the floor. I feel soft squishiness. So let's see what we've got. Now that you guys have gotten a chance to see it first. This is actually prettier than what I imagined it to be. When I heard it was going to be citrus colors and I kind of saw the preview to it, I didn't know if I'd like it. But I actually do like this. It's very summery, and that is showing up pretty true to color. It has some kind of peachy colors here, kind of a rosy peach. And then it has some oranges here. And then, of course, it has yellow. And I believe the theme is... Let's see. Here's the catalog. And let's see what it says the theme is. I keep thinking it was Marketplace or Citrus. Citrus Squeeze. That is the name of this. It's a vivid reminder of the brightest summer days inspired by citrus fruits, lemon, oranges, and grapefruit. Yes, and those are the right colors for that. It is a Knitology Cozy Sock, which is, they are estimating $30 a skein. And that is showing up pretty true to color. And let's see. It is a 75% superwash merino, 15% nylon, 10% cashmere. Fingering weight, which is the same as sock weight usually, 439 yards or 400 meters. So here it is. It is extremely soft. Let's check out the patterns for this. Oh, there's more in here. Hang on a minute. It also includes a little progress or stitch marker called Exchange. It's by exchangingfire.com. And there you can see it. It's a little blue ball here with a little green, like a little green stem to the top. Yeah. And then it's on a little silver ring, and they've tied it with a ribbon in the back. So there's a stitch marker, and then there's these really cute little ladybug buttons. So those are cute. Especially if you have a young enough granddaughter, which I do, to make something and put little ladybugs on. I don't know that at my age I'm going to wear something with ladybugs on it. Yeah, it's cute though. So, yeah. Little ladybug buttons. So now let's see what it says and what the patterns look like for this month. The theme was called Farmer's Market, but the color itself was called Citrus Squeeze. They have a crochet and a knit pattern for socks this month, as well as a cowl, and that is the cowl that is right here, and that is crocheted. But they have a knitted sock and a crochet sock this month. And then over here they have another knitted sock pattern. So, yeah, that's kind of different. You don't see that many crochet sock patterns. Usually when they give you the sock patterns, they're almost all just knitted. So let's see. This is the knitted one. And it's called Citrus Squeeze Socks. And it's designed by Sarah Jordan. It's called Squeezed Citrus. I'm sorry, I read it wrong. Squeezed Citrus Socks. And then the crocheted pattern is by Lilia Vanini, and they are called Magic Socks. So there those are. And let's see, what else do they have in here? I do like these magazines now because you actually get more patterns and you don't have to print them out yourself. And then there is Dancing Butterfly by Cynthia Levy, or Levi. I'd say Levy. So there you go. And it looks like they almost remind me of like little bow ties on it's butterfly design, but little bows. So those are 3 of the patterns, and they're all sock patterns. And then it is a download pattern for the bonus pattern, which is the cowl. And next month's theme is calico, and they will draw from these colors. This is like their color palette that they'll choose from when the dyers dye yarn to match it. So that is it for the May Knit Crate. If you are interested in checking out Knit Crate, it normally is 2 skeins of yarn, and it is the membership box is $24.99, and there are other boxes to choose from. This is the one I get. It includes your shipping, and it includes at least 2 to 3 patterns in each of the little knitting magazines that they send you. And in this case, because it was only 1 skein of yarn, it included extra goodies. So if you would like to try Knit Crate and you want to get a discount off of your first box, you can use the coupon code KCreations20 and go through the link down below in the description box, put that coupon code in, and it will get you 20% off of your first Knit Crate subscription box. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm not sure quite what I'm going to make out of it. I don't think it'll be socks. Call me crazy, but when yarn is $30, it's not going on my feet. And as soft as this is, I'm going to put it around my neck in some way, shape, or form. I don't know yet if I will combine it with something else or if I will just pick a cowl or something or download the pattern from here. But I'm not using it on my feet. Too soft, too expensive for my feet. Yeah, that's just me. I tend to use cheaper yarns for my feet because they're going to get dirty and worn out faster. So something that's special like this, I want it to last a long time. So I hope you have enjoyed this Knit Crate unboxing, and otherwise check out my channel, and if you've enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, please do. Click the little red button down below, and I post every Saturday and usually on Wednesdays. So I will see you all again on Saturday. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Have a great week.